The Institute of Safety Professionals of Nigeria (ISPON) has ranked Lagos State as the leading state in Nigeria in terms of workplace safety compliance and enforcement. The president of the institute, Mr. Timothy Iwagu, said this during an interview with the News Agency of Nigeria (NAN) in Lagos. He commended the state for its consistent efforts in promoting safety standards, enforcing compliance, and raising awareness about workplace hazards.
In compliance, in enforcement, in emphasizing the need for it, enlightenment, Lagos is number one. So if you look at the workplace in Nigeria and ask whether looking at the United Nations requirement, because when we talk of United Nations, we are looking at the organs like World Health Organization, they have their standards. We look at International Labour Organization, they have their standards. Now, the man at work must be protected. Whether the person is working in very big multinational company that is bringing out crude oil or processing the crude oil, there are a whole lot of hazards associated with that. Whether he's working with machines that support the operations of those companies, noise from those machines affects the persons who are working. So if we now juxtapose that into the private sector, where unlike these multinationals that can provide you all that you need and even present serious safety policies and have qualified persons to ensure that there's compliance to those policies by staff. It's not so in the informal private sector. Accidents are a thing of everyday life, but they are caused by humans. And every accident is preventable. And how can we prevent it? Through awareness. Without awareness, you cannot trigger the consciousness.
He added that the institute was also playing its part by raising awareness and promoting compliance and enforcement of safety standards across Nigeria.
We have done a conference in Rivers State, a conference in Kogi State for the first time. Before the end of the year, very soon we'll be having in Lagos. As I speak, we are already training even federal agencies like the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps. We started with their headquarters in Abuja. Then we've handled River State Command. We've handled Imo State Command. And we are doing it across the country. We are doing this thing because we found out that they have risk management units. We saw them as very, very relevant to actualizing the powers, functions, and objectives of the Institute under the Act.